सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 143, verse 27. नानाविचारशुश्रान्तः धीरो विश्रान्तिमागतः न कल्पते न जानाति न शृणोति न पश्यति. Ashtavakra refuting the logic to find out the Atman nature. Logic means tarka. Tarka means reasoning. Reasoning means, or logic means, when we use our sense organs to study something in this creation and we get the data. That data gives the result. That is called logic based analysis. By using your sense organs, either eyes or ears or any other sense organ of knowledge or mind or intellect, when we use to get that knowledge and prepare the data and come to conclusion, that is called logic. In the case of Atman, the Brahman, logic cannot prove the existence of Atma. Nana vichara, there are many logicians where in Brahma Sutra Vyasacharya refutes all systems of logic, who are all based on that logic. Their system of philosophy itself based on logic. Vyasacharya refutes all of them because you cannot come to a conclusion Atma exists or Atma doesn't exist. You cannot prove by your sense perception. That is why scientists, all their scientific inventions are based on sense perception or mind or intellect. That's why they never arrive at the conclusion with regard to Atma. However powerful the sense organs may be, they cannot enter the field of the infinite Brahman. Why? We also use logic. Vedantins also use logic. But we use that logic backed by the Shruti. We use that tarka, Shruti Sammata tarka we use. Vedantins use Shruti Sammata tarka. But other philosophers use Kevala tarka, Shushka tarka. Shushka tarka will never give solution. Even Shruti Sammata tarka also we are not knowing the Atma through tarka. Tarka is useful in certain areas to understand certain ideas. Atma is not going to be proved through logic. What is the reason? Simple. One point is sufficient. I am not going to do elaborate analysis here about tarka. Simple thing, Shastra says, Brahman happens to be you the observer. Brahman happens to be you the observer. Whatever sense organs perceive, it comes under observed objects, objective world, observed things. Whenever you use your sense organs, they are all outgoing, observed. Brahman, the infinite principle, happens to be you, the observer, the subject. You, the subject, observer, cannot be observed by your sense perception. Where is the question of analysis data? When sense organs are not able to function in the field of Atma because it is not outside as an object like other observed objects. The observer is Brahman. Therefore, sense organs have to introvert. You cannot use logic. Observer cannot be observed. So, logic, analysis, data, basis, conclusions will not work in this Atma nature. That is why he says, Nana Vichara Sushrantaha. Jnani is one who is free and retired. Vishrantaha, retired anartham. Vishranta Adhyapakaha and Chulva. Vishrantana, retired principal anartham. Retired officer, retired principal madri. Vishrantaha Sushrantaha, Vishrantaha anartham. The one who has retired from the logic. He is Jnani. He is called Dhiraha, courageous person. They say even if you, one logic they established through one perception or one data or other, some other person will come with some other high intellect and produce some other thesis and he refuted this thesis. Einstein also was challenged by many people. Every scientist is challenged by other scientists because their sense organs, their intellect may be powerful. Like hit song. Now that song is very hit song. Another new song may come. Ilayaraja song is hit song now. Tomorrow Rahman song may come and become hit this song. And the madri, all databases are like that. Refutable, negatable, questionable. Whereas the Atma, you claim Aham Brahmasmi, is not negatable, refutable, questionable. It is unquestionable by anyone at any time, at any place. That is why Ashtavakra says, Nana Vichara Sushrantaha. And the word is the analysis. Dhiraha Vishrantim Agataha. From that he has withdrawn. Na kalpate, na janati, na shrunoti, na pashyati. No data basis logic anartham. Through ears, through eyes, I have seen Atma, I heard Atma is making sound. Atma ashabdam. You cannot hear about Atma. Na janati, there is nothing to know as an object. Janati, when there is second real thing, there is only janati. Janati means knowing. Whatever I know comes under anatma. Janati means knowing. Knowing means that known becomes object. According to Vedanta, the knowing, knowable objects all are only nam ke vasti. Nama, rupa, they are all mithya. Since they are all mithya, where is the question of knowing? Even that knowing is there only vyavaharika, nama, rupa, for vyavahara, knowing. But there is no reality. There is no reality. Don't misunderstand all these statements. Na janati, na shrunoti, he will become deaf. Na pashyati, he will become blind. Appadilla. Never see any second real entity other than oneself, the Atma. Seeing, but it is not real. Hearing, but that it is not real. Never gives reality to any other sound, forms, any knowledge for that matter. Illame anatmada. Just as a person watching the TV, all characters, all dialogues, however much beautiful, sweet voice, that actress is so beautiful and action is wonderful, everything is what? False. There is no real actor, only the screen is moving, and now screen means or picture is going on. Everything is false. Like that, whole Jagat is like a drama. Na kalpate. Kalpate means jiva never associate with the mind. As long as you associate with the mind, you are a pramata, knower. Then only as a knower, you hearer, seer, and creator. All these comes. Once I am looking at the mind itself as a second, a mithya entity, unreal, where is the question of all these actions? There is a nice shloka about this tarka, how it refutes the one person, other person. That shloka is yatnena anumitopi artha kushalau. With a lot of effort, people yatnena anumitopi, with a lot of inference, they establish artha kushalaihi. Artha kushalaihi, they establish or they come to conclusion. Artha means conclusion, not in this sloka. I am giving another sloka. Kushalaihi, experts, with effort they establish. Anumatrubhihi abhiyukta taraihi anyaihi. Suppose great other high intellectuals, they come. Abhiyukta taraihi anyaihi anyatha eva upapadyate. They say this is wrong. When Galileo said earth is moving, sun is not moving, that king was tried to persecute him. So people can't accept that easily. One theory, one other person comes and refutes, another person come and refute this theory. Like this, lot of pressure there. So that's what is sloka. Upapadyate anyatha eva upapadyate. Your theory is wrong, your conclusion is wrong. They can say anything. Whatever you come to conclusion through these sense organs, including mind, intellect. Therefore what? Our Atma is not known through all these sense perceptions. By a refined mind, by listening Shastra, understand, I the subject am the infinite Brahman. We are not going to know any new thing. That is the meaning of this shloka. We have to understand. Now we'll go to the next shloka, 28, page 144. Asamadhira vikshepat namumukshurna chetarah nischitya kalpitam pashyan brahmaivaste mahashayah. If I include in me the body, mind, I am a jiva. If I include body, mind, when I say I am along with what? Panchakoshas. Annamaya kosha, Manomaya kosha, Vijnanamaya kosha, Pranamaya kosha, Anandamaya kosha. If I include, I am a miserable jiva and targeted by the world, people, attacked by the people in the world. Attacked means what? Trouble, no? The world gives one trouble or other. If I include body, mind complex in me, in my personality, Vedanta says exclude body, mind. Just as you are wearing the clothes, but you never include your clothes within your personality. I am means body, mind plus saree. No, we never say like that. I wear it. but I exclude it intellectually. It is very much proximate to me, but I never include. When I am counting myself, I am sense organs, body, mind. People, innocent, ignorant people, they include all of them. Just as you never include the dress with you, similarly, never include another dress. Vasamsi jirnani yatha vihaya. Never include that body, mind with you, the consciousness. You, the consciousness, Chaitanyam, awareness, using the body, mind, instrument, Sthula Deha, Sukshma Deha. You are using. Then what happens? I am Atma, body, mind complex is Anatma. If I include, I am a Jiva and Jagat. Rendirukum, Jiva Jagat. If I exclude means you need not destroy. Intellectually exclude. Then what happens? I, the Atma, body, mind is Anatma. Whatever is Anatma is Drishyam. Whatever is Drishyam, it is object. Drishyam means object. Object, it is Mithya. Whatever is Mithya cannot disturb me. Therefore, mind is Mithya. Vasana Kshaya. ஆல் பழைய வாசனாஸ் இருக்குன்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையோ, அதெல்லாம் போகணும்னு வாசனாஸ் ஆர் இன் த மைண்ட். ஃபார் ஏ ஞானி மைண்ட் இஸ் மித்யா. வேர் இஸ் தி கொஸ்டின் ஆஃப் வாசனாக்ஷயா? மைண்ட் இஸ் எ மித்யா, அன்ரியல். இன் தட் மைண்ட் தெர் இஸ் வாசனாக்ஷயா. தட் attempt will never arise. That is why here he says, asamadhehe avikshepat. Mahashayaha means jnani, mahan atma antakaranam, whose mind is very beautiful, that mind which is falsified. By that jnani, mahashayaha avikshepat, there is no distraction. Vikshepa means distraction. Na vikshepa means avikshepa. There is no distraction by the mind. Mind will not distract him, disturb him. Mind will never cause any turmoil. He looks at the mind as a neighbor. Vacant, make your house vacant, mind house. I told you in the last class. Okay, mind vacant. House, you have to queue for good tenants, okay, not for bad tenants. Imagine mind is your house, a house. Always give place for good tenants. Daivi sampat are all come under good tenants. All values, amanitvam, adamhitvam, ahimsa, kshanti, arjavam, all are good tenants. Shama, dama, uparama, titiksha, good neighbor, not tenants. Suppose if I give my mind house tenement to bad tenants, suppose what? Kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsarya, illa, and they try to claim the house there. Appo nam enna pannanom? That mind is not helpful for me. So always we seek good tenants, no? Daivi sampat is our good tenant in the mind. Let there be. In mithya mind also, all let them be there, all good tenants. Until I get nishtha, aham brahmasmi nishtha. Let there be good tenants in the mind. Once I say you are mithya, anna kuda tenants appadi iruppa, inga pomata. You are mithya. Tenants are also mithya. Tenement is also mithya. Served nicely. See that your house mind, the tenement has got good tenants or evil tenants. Careful, be careful. For a jnani, the mind is, he trained his mind with good tenants, Daivi sampat. Therefore he has got that jnanam, nishtha. There is no need of samadhi to control the mind, to discipline the mind, again to do asanakshaya. All these are not necessary. Asamadhehi. There is no need of samadhi. To such a person who doesn't require samadhi. Samadhi is of two types. In 6th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, we saw long ago. Okay. Samadhi abhyasa rupa nididhyasanam, brahmabhyasa rupa nididhyasanam. Samadhi abhyasa rupa nididhyasanam means sitting in one place, dwelling upon the teaching, Vedantic teaching. Shuchau deshe pratisthapya sthiramasana atmanaha natyuchritam nati nicham shailajina kushottaram. Sitting one place and saying what? Mano buddhya hankara chittani naham. This is called samadhi abhyasa rupa nididhyasa. Or pashyan shrunvan sprishan jigran. While walking, while talking, while listening, while seeing also, I remember all the time my nature. Aham Brahma Asmi. Soham. Soham. Not Shokam. Soham. Aham. That Brahman I am. So this is one type of nididhyasana. All these two are not necessary for a jnani. Asamadhehe. Why? Avikshepat. There is no vikshepa. There is no disturbance in the mind. Mind irundadane. Mind is a mind, a beautiful mind which is serving to him. Jnani mind is a beautiful mind. Very beautiful mind he entertains without any burden. Calm mind, confident mind, cheerful mind maintains. That is why moksha means not manashanti. People think manashyaka shanti da moksha ni nenekra. Manashanti is a byproduct. Okay. Manashanti is not the ultimate product of moksha. Mind is calm, quiet, tranquil is a byproduct. Manashanti is there or not, aham brahma or not. Manasla shanti irukuma irukadu oru vaati up and downs ahum. Manas shanti has fluctuations. Even jnani mind also has got a fluctuations. That shanti which comes and goes. Therefore, instead of working for manashanti, இந்த கிளாஸுக்கு போயினா நல்ல மனசாந்தி வரும். அப்புறம் செப்பல் போட்ட உடனே போயிடும். அதுதான் மனசாந்தி. So never try to work for the manashanti. There is no eternal manashanti. Then what we have to work for? Claim that I am Shanta Swarupa Atma. I need not work for manashanti. மனசாவது சாந்தி ஆகுது. அதுக்கு எப்பவுமே அப்படி ஏதோ ஒரு குறை இருந்துட்டே இருக்கும். சாந்தியாக இருக்கிற மனசே கிடையாது. ஐதி ஆத்மாயாம் எவர் சாந்தா சாந்தஸ்வரூபம். On me the Shantaswarupam, the mind, Ashanti mind and Shanti mind are dancing. I the substratum Shantaswarupaha. Mandukya Upanishad. Shantam Shivam Advaitam Chaturtham Manyante 7th mantra says, Aham Shantaha Swarupaha Atma. Manasyanti is a conditional. When conditions are fine, Manasyanti will be there. When conditions are not fine, water problem, electricity problem, phone problem, conditions are not fine, Shanti goes. That's mind nude Shanti. So, real Jnani never work for Manasyanti. Looks at the fluctuations of the mind, upon which on me the Shanta Atma, Manasyanti, Manas Ashanti, Rundume Vandu point irukku. Enna nalla irukku parunga. Nimmadi. People are struggling for Manasyanti. And if I have Manasyanti, after coming to your class, Swamini, I got lot of peace of mind. Okay. But that is not my aim. Giving peace of mind for all students, that is not my aim. Peace of mind can become pieces at any time. Recognize that mind is mithya. I am Atma Shantaha. Therefore, Asamadehi Avikshepat na mumukshuhu na itaraha. He is neither a seeker. Jnani is neither a mumukshu sadhaka nor itaraha, not baddhaha. He is not bound nor a mumukshu, neither seeker nor a bound person. Na itaraha means na baddhaha. न बद्धः च भवति न मुमुक्षुः भवति न बद्धः भवति. Why? He is a स्थितप्रज्ञः, स्थिरप्रज्ञः. निश्चित्य कल्पितं पश्यन् सर्वं कल्पितं निश्चित्य सर्वं you have to supply सर्वं पश्यन्नपि, even though he is seeing, experiencing everything, husband, children, grandchildren, house, family, responsibilities, pashyannapi kalpitam iti nischitya. This entire universe is only like a dream. As long as you give reality to the world, you cannot say this world is a dream. Dream is real for a dreamer. Dream is unreal for waker. So, Vyavaharika Prapancha is a dream for a Jnani who has woken up to Paramarthika Satyam. Vyavaharika Prapancha is a dream like for a Jnani who has woken up to the higher order of reality, not for an Ajnani. Therefore, whenever Guru says world is a dream, next class Varamata students, how world can be dream? Dreamer can never say dream is a dream. Dreamer can say dream is a dream when only woken up. Adhe madrida. For this Vyavaharika Ajnaniki world is not dream. Real, real. Problem, problem. Ellame undu. This unreality is only for Jnani. Whole is kalpitam pashyannapi Brahma eva aste, remain as Brahman. As is doing actions, working also, remain as Brahman. As a woman, you remain as woman when you are playing mother role, daughter-in-law role, but you remain as woman. Even man also, man is man, roles are changing. Father, father-in-law, son, grandson, all are changing, but man is man. Similarly, even though I am interacting with that Midhya Prapancha, I remain as what? Brahman. Why? I have to remain as Brahman. I am Brahman. I cannot be other than Brahman. What to do? Why you remain as woman? Why you remain as woman when you are playing a wife role? Why you are remaining as woman when you are playing a mother role? Why you are remaining as a daughter when you are when you are playing a daughter role? Tell me. I cannot be other than woman because you are woman. Similarly, you are a man. You cannot be other than man when you are playing the roles. Similarly, Jnani also playing his body role in the society. I cannot be other than Brahman. I cannot be a Brahman. Fortunately, Cholalama, unfortunately, Cholalama. Fortunately, I happens to be Brahman. I cannot be a Brahman. Brahma eva aste. I remain. Aste and remain. Being, no becoming. It's called being. Next shloka. Yasyam tasyadahankarah na karoti karoti saham nirahankara dhirena na kinchid dhikritam kritam. Same idea, Ashtavakra continues. In the previous one shloka, in the last class, I didn't explain that. Same ideas are coming in these shlokas also. Shloka 24, Jnani acts as that yadrichaya, whatever comes in front of him, acts according to that. Never plans. Prakritya, 24th shloka, Prakritya shunya chittasya kurvatah asya yadrichaya. As it comes, the role we have to play at that place, yadrichaya, by chance, he performs. Prakritya, naturally. Second line, na manaha na avamanaha. There is no honor or dishonor for this jnani, for like prakritasya. Second line, the prakritasya word. For an immature, ignorant people, there is mana and apamana when they are interacting. For ignorant person, prakritasya means what? Unrefined, unintelligent, ignorant person. Prakritasya, manam and apamanam are very, very intense. I am honored by people, I am respected by people, I am not respected by people. For prakrita people who are not woken up to their real nature, for them it is very, very painful. Apamanam is painful. When sanmanam comes, they are elation. Unlike that person, prakritasya ka apamanam, avamanam and manam, respect and insult, all are very, very intense, real for them, for prakrita. But jnani ki, not prakrita, but prakrityana. Never give value to mana and apamana. Not disturbed by them. They are all coming to what? In the mind. Jiva Srishti. The mind lo da varum ellame. Once this person falsified the mind, manam, apamanam. This is a drama. Upon me, the screen, Brahman. கேட்கறதுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்னா இருக்கும் இல்லை? கேட்கறதுக்கு நன்னா இருக்கும் சுவாமினி. பட் அபமானம் வந்தப்போ எப்படியா இன்சல்ட், ஹவ் கேன் வி ஸ்டாண்ட்? That is why people really tortured by their own mental projection, speculations, imaginations. Therefore, neighborize your mind as early as possible. அப்போதான் நிம்மதி. Okay. Therefore, in this 28th shloka, 29th shloka, he says, as long as ahankara is there, I am the doer, ane bhavana will be there. Yasya antaha ahankaraha syat. Yasya, of whom, to whom, in whose mind, antaha, in whose mind, ahankaraha syat, ego is there. Ego means what? ரொம்ப ஃபெவிகால் மாதிரி ஒட்டின்னு இருக்க. தேகாபிமான, மன அபிமான, ஐ அஹம் இதி பாவனா. Then mamakara, ahankara leads to mamakara. Yasya antaha ahankaraha syat saha, what he says? He says, na karoti, but he doesn't do anything, but he says what? I am doing, I am doing, I am doing. பண்ணாமலே பண்றேன்னு சொல்லுவான். Here he presents in a different way. See, yasya antaha ahankaraha syat saha karoti api na karoti. Saha, that person, na karoti, not acts, even though he is not acting, karoti eva. He is not acting, he is not doing anything, but he is doing only. Why? Inside, in the mind, there is ahankara. Mind is violently functioning, acting. No, lot of, when you travel in the bus, only one ticket you buy. One ticket you buy. How many are traveling with you? All your family members travel with you. Daughter என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கா, அம்மா என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கா, அப்பா என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காரு. வாங்குறது ஒரு டிக்கெட்டு. எத்தனை பேர்? அதுக்கு தான் பஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப வெயிட் ஜாஸ்தியாக இருக்கு. அங்கேயாவது நிம்மதியாக உட்காரக்கூடாதோ? ஆஹா. அவர் ஜேர்னி இஸ் லைக் திஸ். வி சிட் இன் த ட்ரெயின் அண்ட் ஃப்ரம் விச் ஹவுஸ் வி லீவ், ஆல் தோஸ் இன்சிடென்ட்ஸ் பீப்புள் வி கேரி. ஓகே, ஒன்ஸ் வி ரீச் மிடில் ஆஃப் தட்னா கொஞ்சம் அந்த ஊர் வரப்போகிறது அங்கும்போது தான் இதெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் விடுவோம். தே ஆர் கம்மிங்னோ கொஞ்சம் நியர்பை ஸ்டேஷனு. சென்னை டு பெங்களூர் வி ஆர் கோயிங். இந்த சென்னை பீப்புள் வில் ஃபர்கெட், பெங்களூர் பீப்புள் வில் ரிமெம்பர். அவர் ஸ்டேஷனுக்கு வருவா, அவர் இருப்பா, வீட்டில் இவர் இருப்பான்னு அவங்க வந்துடுவா மனசுக்குள்ள. ஸோ இன் நோ டைம் இட் இஸ் எம்டி. எப்போ ஆக்யூபைடுன்னா எப்போவுமே ஆக்யூபைடு. திஸ் இஸ் த மைண்ட். தட் இஸ் வை ஈவன் தோ ஹி இஸ் சிட்டிங் குவைட்லி, பஸ்ஸில் சும்மா உட்கார்ந்துருக்கான். ஆனால் நீ சும்மா தான் உட்கார்ந்துருக்கான். சஹ கரோதி ஏவ ந கரோதி அப்படி கரோதி ஏவ. ஏன்? பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் அகங்காரா. வேறஸ் நம்ம ஹீரோ ஞானி நிரஹங்கார தீரேண. when this dhiraha, wise person, nirahankaraha, ahankara rahitaha, I am the doer notion is not there. Kritam api you have to supply. Kritam api kinchit na kritam. அவன் ஃபிசிக்கலி இஸ் ஆக்டிவ், ஹைலி ஆக்டிவ். காலையிலேருந்து நைட்டு வரைக்கும் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருப்பான், படிச்சுட்டு இருப்பான், இல்லைன்னா கிளாஸ் எடுத்துகிட்டு இருப்பான், இல்லைன்னா அதை பற்றி இஸ் திங்கிங் அபவுட் அஹம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி சிந்தனா. தட் சிந்தனா ஆல்சோ நாட் நெசசரி. எதுக்கு சிந்தனை பண்ணணும்? நாட் நெசசரி. பட் டூயிங் ஆல் ஹிஸ் டியூட்டிஸ், ஈட்டிங் ஃபுட், டேக்கிங் பாத், கீப்பிங் திங்ஸ் எவ்ரிதிங் ஃபைன், டூயிங் ந கிஞ்சித் கரோதி. Because I am doing notion is not there. And the doer notion is not there. That drop that notion. Let it goes as according that sushka parnavat, dry leaf. The dry leaf ஞாபகம் வெச்சுக்கோங்க. அதான். That is nice. With this 29th shloka is over. Therefore ahankara is the cause for everything. Be like a child. Don't be childish. Be like a child. And the child, I am the doer and ahankaram irukadu. Everyone looking at me, they are all seeing me, recognize me, appreciate me. இதெல்லாம் கிடையவே கிடையாது சைல்டுக்கு. அதுக்கப்புறம் வரும் அந்த சைல்டு லைஃப் போனதுடனே கொஞ்சம் அடல்ட் ஆனவுடனே எல்லாமே வந்துடும். ஆமாம், அப்போ தான் ப்ராப்ளமே, அடல்சென்ட் ப்ராப்ளம்னு. And the childhood also, when a certain age, when they grow, they get identification with the body mind. That is why you look at the children. Before they are getting ahankara, you look at them. You look at the child, how nice they are, so innocent. No kama, krodha, lobha, mada, matsarya. No jealousy at all for them. எவ்வளோ அழகாக இருப்பா பாருங்க. இந்த பேசும்போது ஒரு நான் ரொம்ப பார்க்குறதுக்கே ஆனந்தமாக சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கும். லுக் அட் தட் சில்ட்ரன் பிஃபோர் தே ஆர் கெட்டிங் அபிமானா, அகங்காரா. அது பார்த்து நம்ம கற்றுக்கணும். எப்படி இருப்பா பாரு அந்த குழந்தை. ஓகே, அல்ல குழந்தை மாதிரி பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஓகே ஓகே, அதெல்லாம் பார்க்கணும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 30th ஸ்லோகா ஐ வில் ரீட். நோத்விக்னம் நச்ச சந்துஷ்டம் அகர்த்து ஸ்பந்தவர்ஜிதம் நிராஷம் கத சந்தேகம் சித்தம் முக்தஸ்ய ராஜதே. முக்தஸ்ய சித்தம் ராஜதே என்னார். முக்தஸ்ய, the liberated persons. Mukta means a liberated one. Liberated from what? Free from what? Liberated from I am the body mind complex notion. Liberated from ahankara vritti, mamakara vritti. Vritti means thought, notion. Liberated from all the wrong notions, wrong identifications, wrong conclusions, wrong concepts. எல்லாமே ராங்கு தான். மனசில் வரதெல்லாம் பிரம்ம ஜானம் தவிர எல்லாமே ராங் ராங் ராங். அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி அகண்டாக்கார விருத்தி தான், ஒன்றே ஒன்று தான். அதில் ஏதாவது ஒன்று தான் கரெக்டாக அதுதான் வரும். மற்றது எல்லாமே பிரமதான். அது வரவருக்கு நமக்கு கொஞ்சம் குட் டெண்டன்சிக்கு ரெண்டுக்கு கொடுக்கணும் இல்லையா? ஷம தம உபரம குரு சுஷ்ரூஷா சாஸ்திர சிரவணம் இதெல்லாம் குட் டெண்டன்ஸ். தென் தட் மைண்ட் மனசைவேதமாப்தவ்யம். Such a mind is a refined mind, understands. You sit in the class, the Sravanam itself does all the things. என்னென்ன பண்ணணுமோ அதெல்லாம் ட்ரிம் பண்ணிடும். நம்ம ஒன்றும் பண்ண வேண்டாம். கிளாஸில் உட்கார்ந்தாலே போதும், அதே ட்ரிம் பண்ணிடும். இவனுக்கு என்னென்ன போகணுமோ அதெல்லாம் தானாகவே பார்த்துக்கணும். சாஸ்திரம் சைலண்ட்லி ஷீ டஸ் தட் ஜாப். ஷீ என்ன சாஸ்திரா. ஓகே. So look at the sloka. Muktasya chittam rajate. The liberated person's mind, chittam, shines. Rajate means shines. அவனுடைய சித்தம் ராஜத்தை. இப்போ தான் மித்யான்னு சொல்ல, இப்போ ஷைனிங் என்ன. How it shines. That's why mind by itself is not problematic. Untamed, undisciplined mind is problematic. A indisciplined mind is a problematic. A tamed, disciplined mind is your friend. It's not enemy. It's your friend. That's why Pujya Dayananda Swamiji says, be compassionate with your mind. And சொல்லுவார், be compassionate with your mind. Many people complain on their own mind. மனசில் ரொம்ப கெட்ட கெட்ட தாட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வருது சுவாமினி. மனசு நிம்மதியே இல்லை, மனசு ரொம்ப தொந்தரவு பண்ணுறதுன்னு. ரொம்ப எரிச்சல் அந்த மனசு மேலே, எனக்கு துவேஷம் அந்த மனசு மேலே. கொஞ்சம் கம்பேஷனேட்டாக இருன்னு. ப்ரொவைட் வாட் இட் ரிக்வயர்ஸ். சத் சாங்கத்தியம், சத்கிரந்த பட்டனம், சச்சிந்தனம் அதெல்லாம் ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணலாமே. அது ஒன்றும் பண்ணலாமே. தகராறு பண்ணுறது என்ன? ஹவுஸுக்குள்ளே இந்த பல்பு இருக்கணும், வாட்டர் இருக்கணும், எல்லாமே இருக்கணும். எல்லாம் ஒன்றுமே இல்லைன்னா அந்த ஹவுஸ் எப்படி இருக்கும் பாவம்? ஹூ வில் கம் அண்ட் ஸ்டே இன் தட் ஹவுஸ்? மனசு ஹவுஸு. ஓகே. அந்த மைண்டு டெனன்ஸுக்கு வரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி என்னென்ன கொடுக்கணுமோ அது கொடுக்கணும் இல்லையா? ஷமா தமா உபரமா திதிக்ஷா எல்லாமே நன்னா இருந்தால் ஆல் வில் பி தேர். அண்ட் குரு சாஸ்திரம் எல்லாமே வரும் அந்த மனசுக்குள்ளே. பி கம்பேஷனேட் வித் யுவர் மைண்ட். லுக் அட் யுவர் மைண்ட் லைக் ஏ பேபி. ஓகே. பேபி என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? ஒரு நாட்டி பேபி. கிருஷ்ணன் என்ன பண்ணிட்ட, அம்மா யசோதா கட்டி போட்டுட்ட அந்த கல்லுக்கு. அது மாதிரி நாட்டி பேபி நீ கட்டு போட்டின மாதிரி இந்த மனசு ஒரு வாட்டி நாட்டி பேபி. ஓகே. இட்ஸ் லைக் ஏ பேபி. பி ஃப்ரெண்ட்லி வித் இட். தென் இட் லிசன்ஸ் யூ. அம்மா ரொம்ப சாக்லேட் கொடுக்குறா, எனக்கு இது கொடுக்குறேன் அது கொடுக்குறேன்னு மனசு ஸ்டார்ட்ஸ் லிசனிங் டு யூ. Never complain on your mind. Look at its own problems. பாவம், ஏதோ சைல்ட்ஹுட் ப்ராப்ளம் அதுக்கு. அந்த மனசுக்கு ஏதோ ப்ராப்ளம், அதுக்கு ட்ரெயின் இட் ப்ராப்பர்லி. உத்விக்னம் நாஸ்தி. சித்தம் ராஜதே முக்தஸ்ய கதம் உத்விக்னம் ந உத்விக்னஹ. துக்கேஷ்வனுத்விக்னமனாஹ சுகேஷு விகதஸ்பிருஹ. எங்கேயோ படிச்சின மாதிரி இருக்கே. நான் every Tuesday what we are seeing Sthita Prajna Lakshanas, that sloka, 2nd chapter. Dukkeshvanudvignamanaha, 56th sloka number. Okay. Anudvignamanaha, here na udvignam anu pottar. Nodvignam, peculiar dhatu. Ud plus wij dhatu, vijir. Ud plus vijir dhatu, tapratyanta rupam, participle. Udvignam na udvignam. There is no turbulence. Udvigna means no dvesha, no turmoil, no dvesha, no trouble in his mind. Nacha santushtam. There is no this is pleasant, I am very happy. That type also is not there. Hatred also is not there. Attachment also is not there. When attachment is there, we say it is very much pleasing. I am santushtaha. I am so happy. Then what? I am not happy. Both are not there. Na santushtaha, na udvignaha. Therefore, na santushtam, na udvignam chittam. Not only that, akartu spandavarjitam. I, the Atma, am actionless, Nishkriyaha, therefore Akartuhu. I am actionless. I, the Atma, is actionless. My body is doing actions. Karmanya karmayah paschet akarmanicha karmayah sabuddhiman manusheshu. Care of Bhagavad Gita. Okay. Karmanya karmayah paschet. That is 4th chapter, 18th shloka. Okay. All these are Bhagavad Gita only. This is Ashtavakra Gita, no? Okay. Nirasham Gata Sandeham. Spandavarjita means modificationless. Spandana means what? Wooden reaction. Reacting. Spandana means, and the butterfly wings, no? That's called spandana. So fast it moves. Some people's mind is also like that. Spandate. Spandana means turbulent and artha. Always moving. Restless and matter. Restless. And the kannula kuda, when they close their eyes also, eyeballs go on moving. Rapid eye movement and cholluva. Rapid eye movement. REM. REM and rapid eye movement. Even they close their eyes also, you see their eyeballs movement. Bapre. Ammo. While sleeping also, rapid eye movement, you can see lot of palpitation, lot of blood pressure, lot of tension, lot of anxiety. பேசும்போது நமக்கு பால்பிட்டேஷன் வந்துடும். எல்லாம் நெகட்டிவாக பேசுவான். ஒரே டென்ஸ்டு அண்ட் மேக்கிங் அதர்ஸ் ஆல்சோ டென்ஸ்டு. தட் இஸ் கால்ட் ஸ்பந்தனம். இந்த ஞானி ஸ்பந்த வர்ஜிதம். இவர் என்ன சுவாமினி ஒரு சப்புன்னு இருக்கார், இந்த ஆள் ஒரு ஸ்டாட்யூ மாதிரியோ. ஸ்டாட்யூ ஆல்சோ நோ ஸ்பந்தனம், isn't it? No vidvigna, no santushta. Statue, இவர் கூட ஒரு ஸ்டாட்யூ. Not statue. It's not a statue like that Marina Beach statues. Jnani is a wonderful personality. Because nirasham. Because there are no desires, desireless. Whatever I desire is anatma only. Why I have to desire? Anatmalo moodu dosham irukku. What are those doshams? Atruptikaratvam, bandhakatvam, dukkhamishritatvam. Endappa? Desirelessness. Why? How he can survive without desires? Purnaha. Nothing can come and fulfill me. I am Purnaha. With Atman Jnanam. I am lacking nothing. I am Purnaha. That is why last mantra is what after the class? Purnamadah Purnamidam. I am Purnaha. Everything has come out of me, the Purna Atma. Everything merged into me, the Purna Atma. Everything is sustained by me, the Purna Atma. Whatever is Purnam, only Purnam, everything. There is no second thing. Kodakatte Purnam also. Purnam. இப்படிப்பட்ட பூரணமாக இருக்கிற நான் போய் எப்படி அபூரணமாக திங்க் பண்ணின்னு இருக்கேன். லிமிட்டெட் ஹியூமன் பீயிங் கஷ்டப்பட்டுன்னு இருக்கோம். நிராசம் பூர்ணத்வாத் கத சந்தேகம். தெர் இஸ் நோ சந்தேக, டவுட் ஃப்ரீ. சந்தேகா டவுட்ஸ். கத சந்தேகா மீன்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் ஹூம் ஆல் த டவுட்ஸ் ஹாவ் கான். டவுட் ஃப்ரீ மைண்ட் ராஜதே. ஆஷா டிசைர் ஃப்ரீ மைண்ட் ராஜதே. उद्विग्न रहित मनः राजते. स्पंदवर्जित मनः राजते. नर गत संदेहः. नर doubts, all doubts are clear regarding God, regarding universe, regarding me, the body mind complex, everything. Jiva sambandha prashna, jagat sambandha prashna and Ishvara sambandha prashna sandeha sarvam gatam gatam gatam. How? Ashtavakra Gita class, Vedanta class. Therefore muktasya chittam rajate, shines. Now our mind, how is it shining? And if you are a muktaha, it is shining. Otherwise troublesome, burdensome. It is a struggle, burden mind. Ajnani mind is a burdenful mind. Jnani mind is a light mind. Enlightened mind is a light mind. Next shloka. Nirdhyatum cheshtitam vapi ध्यातुं चेष्टितुं वापि यच्चित्तं न प्रवर्तते निर्निमित्तमिदं किन्तु निर्ध्यायति विचेष्टते यत् चित्तं न प्रवर्तते whose mind yat chittam whose mind na cheshtate is not acting or is not active in what to meditate. His mind is not active in meditation. Nirdhyatum, to meditate or to act. Nirdhyatum cheshtitum na pravartate. As a sadhaka, he is not sitting for meditation or he is not withdrawing from the meditation. Either withdrawal of any sadhanas, first I don't want these sadhanas, or doing sadhanas, I want to get benefit through these sadhanas. So, dhyana pravartanam is not there, or dhyanam nunchi velila varanam anledu. Inna sadhaka seeker has gone from him. There is no seeker. As long as you are a seeker, there is a dhyanam, idi pannanam, adi pannanam. But still that person as though doing some sadhanas not for his or her sake. That is a karma abhasa, for other people's sake, and as though sitting in meditation. We are gone, people are all gone to Ramana Maharshi ashram and all are sitting. Suppose this person also sits, not with any motive. There is no agenda, but sit quietly. Loka sangrahartham. So nirnimittam nirdhyayati. Dhyayati nirdhyayati, as though not meditating. There is no nimitta for him. There is no any reason. Nirnimittam nirdhyayati, without any motive. Nimittam motive, some agenda. Nirnimittam means without any motive, meditates and acts. There is no, see, as a sadhaka, you struggle in meditation, in doing any action, pranayama also. And doing pranayama, any meditation, as a sadhaka, there is an effort. There is a lot of effort. Kosu vardi, kadi karde. Some people may come, they may ring the bell. There are people to open the door, but that ring sabdam will come and disturb me. All these disturbances are there for a sadhaka. But for this person, since that I want to achieve something, I want to accomplish something, that hunger is not there inside. Therefore, there is no trouble for him, there is no disturbance for him. Nimittam is not there. இந்த இதுக்காக நான் பண்ணணும் அன்னது கிடையாது. எல்லாம் முடிச்சாச்சு, முடிச்சு புக்கு மூடியாச்சு. கூட எப்போ பூர்ணமதா சொல்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி, ஏன்னா டைம் ஆச்சு இல்லையோ. பூர்ணமத பூர்ணமிதம் பூர்ணாத் பூர்ணமுதச்யதே பூர்ணஸ்ய பூர்ணமாதாய பூர்ணமேவாவசிஷ்யதே. ஓம் சாந்தி சாந்தி சாந்தி. ஹரிஹி ஓம். ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமஹ. ஹரிஹி ஓம்.